Hey guys, I know this video took a bit too long to make because how to run Minecraft on your Nokia 3310 2017 or any MRI phone that runs in a serious firmware. You will need a micro SD card format 542 and should be at least a single gigabyte in size. A way to read the micro SD card, as you could see, mine's a little generic, but it doesn't matter. A SIM card and IMSI number, which I'll be explaining how you can obtain that later in the video. A working Nokia phone, of course, and a laptop. So what you need to do is to boot up your laptop, of course. So download the file that I shared on the links in the description and extract it real quick. After that, go to here. It should be around 3 files, this ura.min file and 2 VXP files. The first one is a screensaver. As you can see, it's just called MC screensaver, and the second one is the actual game itself, which will be handling with this. Then go to this website called vxpatch.this.top, and then go to app file and browse. Select the game file, and it will be asking you IMSI, which there are ways to get your IMSI number, but the one that works great is the adb command, which should be somewhere in here. Let me find it real quick. There it is. This is the command that you can use to get your IMSI number. It should give you like a 15-digit number, but since my phone's ADB doesn't work, I cannot copy and paste this and show how it really works. But there is another way you could get this without ADB. If you're in the same situation as me, where your phone's ADB doesn't work while you run a custom ROM and you want your SIM card's IMSI number, you can go to settings and go to about device and radio info, where you could get your IMSI number over here. After you've got your IMSI number, you could paste it over here and then click on this big button called patch, and then you could click on this blue button called download patch VXP, and then you should get a file called patch._rtxblocks.vxp. Then take the micro SD card that you have and mount it on your PC, and then move to whatever directory that you want, which I'm just gonna put on the root of this micro SD card, and then take the .bin file called ura.bin and put it over here. Now you can put this whatever directory that you want on this SD card, but this is important. You should put this on the root of its micro SD card. After all that, kind of just go to menu and this phone's file manager and the memory card, and then choose the one that says something like patched underscore RTX blocks.vxp, and then kind of enjoy Doom on a little Nokia. The controls are pretty simple. This button over here is walking. The other buttons are just going for backwards and forwards. This circle button is for going left and right. And these buttons, this and that, goes up and down. And the middle button is for jumping. And then the zoom is, I think, yeah, zoom is 1. Over here, you can kind of zoom out. And that's pretty much it. This is just basic like Minecraft like game for the Nokia phone. And the screensaver kind of looks like this. Yeah, it's just a basic screensaver for a phone like this. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know this video took a bit too long, but at least it was worth it.